Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of out of date on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve out of date on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to Clash of Clans. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.